sir, how was your experience with Shivam Autozone all over?
I think my experience with Shivam Autozone was very, great and very smooth. Right from booking the car until the delivery, everything went smoothly, and the relationship manager has always been in touch. He has been informing me of all the updates, the delivery status, and also overall it was a great experience for me.
How did you like the accessories of the car?
The accessories is something that I explored with Shivam, and they gave me a lot of options. I seen on some of the cars that they fitted, so I really liked it. And once it was done for my car, I found it really great. It was like icing on the cake. Really excellent service.
Thank you, sir. So, would you recommend your family, friends about Shivam Autozone?
Yeah, definitely. Given my overall experience with the company, and the smooth and excellent relationship management, and including until now, after the sales, one point contact. So I think it's a very smooth experience. So I would definitely recommend to my family and friends.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.